Aldrin Morante, itong kanyang new player. Pero bago pa ba sa atin to si JR?
In the PBL and then going into the PBA, playing for various teams. But Coach, we were talking about this right before the game. You were
For them.
They're coming off their very first loss of the season against the Manila Batang Sampaloc. That's good para kay Dennis Santos against Zamboanga. That was a tight one on opening day, 82-76. Then won their first victory of the season on their home floor against the Pangasinan Heatwaves. Then 81 in their last match. As we take a look at Chris Torrado, able to get by the defense and score. Valenzuela, they have no intention of missing out on the playoffs this year.
Oo. And you know, with the addition of JR Quinyan in the lineup, parang mas lalo na yatang sumikip yung atin na...
A lot of close games. In fact, I'm gonna try to ask our stats chief, Jao Magno, later on, kung ano ang tali. Quinyahan from the outside, swishes it through. Welcome to the MPBL, Mr. JR Quinyahan.
And
That is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. 2 hands in your face. Why not? JR Quinyahan, welcome to the MPBL. That's short. Bring us sees Pagyo. Dante Pagyo will go all the way for 2 plus the foul.
That's a foul on JR Quinyahan. Nem de la Cruz, ang lalaki na.
This fast break of the game is brought to you by New Star Max. Win to the max. Dante Pagyo working 2-man game with Jamil Gabawan.
Good pass.
Big-to-big action. Akuno to Gabawan. In the MPBL, 23 points in that game against Manila. Payawal, hook shot is good.
Nakakapag-isip at mas loose na siya maglaro eh.
Minus somehow, some way gets that. Putter Greg Slaughter in June, and a lot of the other teams also stacking up in terms of their front line. Mitchell Minus, that's a guy coming from Pampanga. He scores there for Bataan.
You know, kasi si Kong Eric kasi, he was there. He was at helm, so he was able to see yung kung ano yung talaga.
Congressman Eric Martinez, I'm sure he is already pleased with the opportunity that he gave the players from Valenzuela, but this season gusto niya na
representing yung kanilang community. So, you know, you don't want to end up tulad ni Ives na will not think twice na if he's open, he's gonna take it, which gives these guys, pag meron kang floor spacer, doon makaka-operate sila.
Well, these guys can operate as well. Batang Sampaloc really using a big third quarter to be able to secure that victory in their favor as JR Quinyahan converts on a fall-away jumper.
Kind of love like that play designed by the Valenzuela Classic as the screener action, getting that ball kay JR Quinyahan. At
Darang fakes out everybody from the Valenzuela defense, and on the flip side, Nemden
role already. He was able to establish yung what kind of game he wanted here in the MPBL. So, already, he was able to establish yung what kind of game he wanted here in the MPBL.
They bring us.
This is a fresh new 5 again for the Risers.
Actually, yeah, that's correct. Even Alec Ramos. De Chavez has not yet been able to connect from the outside until now. 7 from the outside itong Bataan, while Valenzuela is now up to 4 3-point shots out of 12 attempts. Ron Lastimosa didn't take long for him to warm up after missing a screen. Well, eventually does. Armenion from the elbow, the bounce. Castro goes inside. Dipsy-do is good, plus the foul.
Kasi again, numbers don't lie. Talagang like this guy.
Razzled and dazzled on the floor. Bringas, matagal na natin nakikita yan. Drop step, back the lead here. Look at that. Got the step on Mike Machon after the spin. And there, RV Bringas connect. Channel 98 on Signal. satellite channel 53 on the Pilipinas Live app, Facebook, and YouTube. RB Bringas back-to-back hits right there for Bataan, as he is featured here in our Buenas play of the game.
And especially, you know, sometimes
Lastimosa,
this guy also.
few feet away from three, missing from the outside. Offensive rebound for Alec Ramos. Santos, the stretch and score. The sideline, nasa court na siya. Anliguez orchestrating here for Valenzuela. He stripped. Minus picks it up. Baguio once again in the open floor basket and one for Dante Baguio.
Again, that's where you get most out of Dante Baguio. No, this is a layo ng take-off din, eh.
Takes off 8 inches for Trazona, but challenge for Coach Rene Baena is successful. So just like that last play, the basket will count, but the foul will not be listed.
So no end one plays.
Too strong. Offensive rebound for CJ. Trazona, that slow stroke for three. That's his second of the game. 8 puntos. Anliguez looks ahead.
Good pass.
Santos, the spin. Almost stripped by Gabawan. Trazona, can this be number 3? Yes, sir! 3 points once again for Ryan Trazona.
Cut yung tira ni Trazona, eh.
Yun na nga, eh.
Hindi katulad niya, no?
A really conventional stroke, but Dante Baguio makes good on the putback. Kinyahan gets it to Santos. Pass a little bit behind, but Santos still able to find a way to get that ball into the basket.
Graceful ba?
Actually, yeah, that could be the case. He really moves well.
Outside offense of Valenzuela, gusto nilang ituloy yung magandang depensa nila sa loob. Lastly, just like what you guys noticed, mabilis nga ang know who will step up in this game. Equal opportunity nga para sa Risers. Javi and Coach Louie.
Thank you so much, but just like what we've been saying, how long will...
Biggest in a quarter sa ating season right now.
Let's check that. Orin Katakutan, though, was not checked by the defense. Gets 2 points alone inside the paint. Valenzuela was actually playing slow in the first half. That's not the case anymore here in the second half. But James Castro trying to cut into that lead like it had a good line, but that one was short. Darang all the way to the cup for 2.
Siguro
from corner, no good. This is gonna be an easy basket for James Castro. For Valenzuela, 14 seconds left. Katakutan would like to go in, and he does. The spin and the finish for Orin Katakutan.
with that.
Katakutan, I've always known him to be a silent guy, soft-spoken. It's still winless Muntinlupa. Quarter scoring on your screens. Valenzuela with back-to-back 24-point quarters. Dem de la Cruz gets 3 points more to his name.
You know, he has that
67. Katakutan now on the break. Katakutan will score.
Yeah, that's where you need him. Pero, you know, give it to Orin.
And, you know, forgive me, Coach. I hate to use it, but I feel like I do have to.
Illegal screen.
Pero kitang-kita naman sa replay na talagang gumalaw yung katawan nila. Santos, look out! That is Santos! 2 hands for safety! It deserves to be seen not once, not twice, maybe even 3 times. Dennis Santos, what a performance here. 14 points in the game, 9 rebounds, plus a couple of assists. That brings Coach Rene Baena to call a ceasefire. 8 minutes in. De La Cruz on
Great
the
pass.
left. De La Cruz will score.
Ito.
Baguio has been stellar all ball game long for Bataan and continues to be.
Nakaka-shoot sila dahil sa nakaka-stop sila. Pero if you talk about them running something, malaking bagay yung impact kasing ibibigay mo eh.
Orit katakutan, the up and under, 2 points more.
Playing, sabi niya, he wasn't like this back then. He used to make a lot of bad and hasty decisions too. Pero yan daw siguro ang lamang ng experience. You grow, you mature, you learn to see.
Lead down to just 9 here for Valenzuela. And then is Santos on the other side with 2 more heads. Take a look at this. Torrado finding Dante Baguio on that slot cut. 2 hands for safety. Pero sa kabilang panig naman, Dennis Santos also rising and jamming it in.
Larong to. In terms of field goal percentage, itong Bataan shooting at 41%. Ito namang Valenzuela at 43. So both teams are in the 40s. So mataas yan.
A lot of contact on that layup attempt by Trazona, but no foul was called. On the other side, Torrado able. Gabawan trying to go backdoor to Mitchell. Minus able to get the reverse.
Oo. Hindi baka maganda yung chance silang manalo.
A steal by Bataan. Octubre in trouble though. Santos comes up with it. Then is Santos, one fake and the basket right there. Costly turn. Baguio will try to answer.
Oh.
3-pointer down the drain for Dante Baguio. Chance here for Bataan to come close. They're down by 4. Torrado has not missed from the line in this game. That's his first. Foul given up there by Chris Torrado on Daryl Manligues. Since they have a timeout remaining. Not really the best of decisions by Chris Torrado, but it...
Kasi maybe from the 5 right now, kung sino pa-foulin mo. Yeah, that makes
89-84. This game practically in the bag para sa Valenzuela, but Rafi Octubre wanting to say something about it. Surveying, gets it to Santos on the sideline. Almost a push.
you know.
Manligues seals the deal. That's gonna be it.